Hello. Today I will be walking you through some basic features of Degree Navigator, also known as DN. DN is a program audit tool used by Rutgers University in order to allow you to view the requirements for our various degree programs, as well as allow you to explore different majors and minors that you may be considering. The website for DN is www.dn.rutgers.edu. Once here, you will be prompted to log in with your NetID and password. Once you hit enter, your screen should look similar to this. Along the left-hand side, you will see your name, RUID number, school of enrollment, approximate year of graduation, NetID, student notes. This will be any notes that advisors or faculty advisors may have made on your audit, and finally, my degree programs. My degree programs lists any and all programs you have declared at the university. If I click on this plus sign, my various programs will list separately, and I can run the audit for those programs individually. And your audit would look like this. Now, if I wanted to run all of my programs together, I can do that by clicking Programs of Study, and then clicking the audit icon in the corner here, which includes combined programs. In the audit, you will see your name, your RUID number, number of completed credits, and number of completed requirements. There is also a legend that will demonstrate what all of the icons mean. If you see a check mark next to a course, that means you have successfully completed that course. If you see a green dot, that means that you are currently enrolled in that course. Degree Navigator will assume that you are going to successfully complete that course. And finally, the yellow square will indicate courses that you plan to take. Next, there are the requirement legends. If you see a check mark next to a requirement, that means that that requirement has been fulfilled. An X mark will indicate that the requirement has not yet been fulfilled. And finally, the approximation sign will indicate that after a successful semester, that requirement will be fulfilled. These indicators will be here. Now, back to the left-hand panel. After my programs of study, you will see my planned courses. That would be courses that you are intending to take. However, please keep in mind that these courses have not yet been completed. They will be designated in your audit with that yellow box we referred to earlier. And finally, my course list. My course list is a great place to see courses you are enrolled in, courses and grades that you have completed here at Rutgers, and any transfer, AP, or CLEP credit you may have transferred in. As you can see, they go in descending order, which means the newest at the top, the oldest at the bottom. These here are all transfer credits. They do not have grades, they say TR. Should you have completed courses here, it would have had the term, the course number, the number of credits, the grade you earned, and the title of that course. At the top there is a legend that will indicate all the various prefix codes you may or may not see. Now let's say you wanted to explore other majors, for example. I am listed as undeclared, but I want to see how many more courses I would need to take in order to complete the psychology major at Rutgers Newark. I can simply go to the search feature up here, and you will see that there are various search features. Now, students will not have the search student feature, that is strictly for advisors, but you will have search courses and search programs of study. I'm going to click on search programs of study. I can search using the subject code, or I can search using the subject name. I know that psychology is 830, so I'm going to go ahead and search by subject code. As you can see, it pulls up all psychology programs across all three campuses of Rutgers. What I am looking for is the major in psychology at Newark. I would simply click the View button here, and Degree Navigator will run an audit with the courses I have taken to see how many are left over in the psychology major. As you can see, I already have one satisfied. Up here for total credits it says 17, 3 completed, and I still have 14 remaining to complete this requirement. I also want to draw your attention to major GPA. Some majors will require that you have a specific GPA. You will be able to get an approximation of that GPA by viewing it here. Now, let's say I wanted to search for a specific course. I want to know the course description, I'm interested in taking a class, but I want to know what that class will entail. You can search courses by using the course code. Please remember to include the colons. You'll see the class populate here. It says Principles of Psychology, 3 credits, and you can view the course. If I click on View the Course, you will see that the course description is listed here, as well as the number of credits and whether or not the class is still active. This concludes our brief overview of Degree Navigator. Thank you for tuning in. Should you have any further questions, I strongly encourage you to visit your academic advisor.